bonus content video for lesson 9.2. I'm going to finish the section that we skipped completing these last couple of questions. Degrees to radians. We want the degrees to cancel. Let's put 180 degrees in the denominator, cancel them out. Let's find a number that divides each of these. Let's see, if I don't know this is divisible by 5, they're both divisible by 5, maybe more. Add the digits, 3 and 4 make 7, 7 and 5 make 12. Okay, so 12 is divisible by 3, but not divisible by 9. So I know that this number is divisible by 3. This number is also divisible by 3, so what's my conclusion? If it's divisible by 3, and also divisible by 5 because it ends in a 0 or a 5, then these numbers will both be divisible by 15. So let's figure this out. 15 goes into 345 how many times? So 15 goes into 345, that'd be 23 times. Now 15 goes into 180. Let's see, I know 30 goes into 186 times, so 15 will be going into 180 twice that. So 6 times 2 would be 12. So 15 goes into 30 twice, and 30 goes into 186 times, so 2 and 6 makes the 12. This is converted now into radians. Number 9 over here across, pi radians, we're going to erase it and replace it, as I like to say. We're going to replace it, pi radians, with 180 degrees. And let's simplify and then multiply, as I like to say. 6 goes into 18 3 times, so 6 goes into 180 degrees, 30 degrees. 30 times negative 5 is negative 150 degrees. And here's our answer for this one. Same process for number 10. We're going to convert by multiplying 180 degrees times 8 and dividing by 3, but it's much easier for me to accomplish this by simplifying first. 180 degrees divided by 3, or pi over 3, represents 60 degrees. 60 times 8 is 480. Last two. We're going to multiply by pi and divide by 180. Let's see, we're canceling our degrees. That's how I know I set this up right. Since this divides by 5 and this divides by 5, let's see if anything else, let's see any other tricks will work. Add 1 and 3 and 5. 1 and 3 and 4 is 4, and 4 and 5 make 9. Okay, this number is divisible by 9. This number is divisible, if I could say that right, divisible by 9 also. Numbers that are divisible by 5 and divisible by 9 means they're divisible by 45. 45 goes into 135 3 times, and 45 goes in 180 4 times, leaving us with an answer of negative 3 pi divided by 4. Last one. Replace 180 degrees in the place of where the pi used to be. Divide by 15. 15 goes into 180. Let's see, 10 times would be 150. This is 30 more, so 2 more times makes 12. 15 goes into 15 once, and 180 degrees, 12 degrees times. 10 times 12 is 120. 1 times 12 is 12 more than 120 is 132 degrees. Our answer is positive. These are our last two solutions. This concludes this section and the bonus content for today. Good luck working on your homework. I think you might enjoy it using Delta Math. It has a lot of cool functions and features to it. All the best. Take good care.